What is NBC's main focus area, key theme at this year's Auto Expo?
So the key theme for this year and of course the years to come is sustainability. Our vision is to provide sustainable solution by reducing friction in rotation, and therefore we are promoting sustainability in the entire organization. We are working towards that by reducing friction in our bearings and reducing the torque in our bearings, and we are displaying those bearings here in the Auto Expo.
You have touched upon sustainability, but you also cater to that agenda with a wide range of products.
Right.
Could you take me through what are the segments or range of products that you cater to, and what are some of the products that you have displayed here?
So essentially we are present in all kind of products automobile can have. So for example, the transmission products, the wheel products, and of course the EV products, which are high RPM, low torque and high speed bearings. So we are showcasing that. We are also showcasing the sensorized bearing, which is the requirement of the EV. And we are very bullish on the EV becoming larger and larger in the coming years. So we are investing a lot of money on our R&D for EV bearings.
You touched upon a very relevant subject, the transition of automobile industry into EV vehicles, the electric vehicles. How is this transition important or relevant to NBC, and what are some of the specialized product or technology that you are working currently on EV front?
So as far as NBC is concerned, we had developed the EV bearings about 4 years back. So we were always bullish on the EV. We knew that this will come, and if you see now, earlier people were talking about that EVs will cross 50% of the market by 2030. Now they are talking about that it will cross 50% of the market by 2026. So it is all advanced, and we are well prepared for that. We have developed bearings with a lot of R&D and technology going into the bearings. For example, high-speed bearings, as I said earlier, sensorized bearing, as I said earlier. There are also bearings which are using special coating, etc., so that the friction reduces, and it can serve EVs better because the EVs use high RPM. So for that we have developed special bearings.
Wonderful. You touched upon the whole gamut of opportunity that the EV brings to you. Does this pressurize your existing manufacturing facility or capacities? What is the observation and preparation in terms of the R&D as well as manufacturing capacity?
So luckily for manufacturing EV bearings, we just have to tweak on our existing lines a little bit, and which we are investing on already. So many of our lines are now producing EV bearings, and we are already started supplying to the existing customers in India and in Europe. So it is technologically very feasible to produce the EV bearings in our existing lines, though we have to invest a little bit on each line to convert it to manufacture EV bearings.
Okay. And in terms of your customer base, which markets you are strong at? What is the segment that you are strong in? Say passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, off-road, and which are these regions? Is it domestic, which higher than the exports? What is it currently?
So we are very strong in two-wheelers, commercial vehicles, tractors, and also four-wheelers. So in that order. Okay. And so, for example, we were talking earlier about EV. Almost all of the EV producers, especially two-wheelers, and the Indian four-wheeler manufacturer are our customers, and we have developed a lot of bearings for them. Export is also a very big focus for us. And this year our exports will grow over 60%, and 20+% of our turnover comes from export. And we export only to OEMs. We don't export in the aftermarket.
So given that and the 2 bad years that we saw as an industry because of COVID, what is your outlook for 2023 and beyond?
So 2023 we see a very robust growth as compared to last year, because last year actually if you see 1 month there were very little sales because of COVID impact. So we see a 25 to 30% increase in sales as compared to last year. And going forward, if the vision of Make in India is becomes as and when become truer and truer, I think we are in for a good time for the next couple of years, or at least next 5 years. We are in for a very good time.